How to share Google Maps location in WhatsApp. Hi everybody, here's how you can follow the step in order to do so. So first of all, just go ahead and open up WhatsApp application on your device. Open it up and log in into your account. And once you are logged in, you can just go ahead and select the chat that you would like to share the location for. For example, this option right here. So we have this option provided by WhatsApp directly that allows us to share our location directly from Google Maps. For that, from your message inbox section, we should be finding a link option. So go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, we have this option of location. So just go ahead and tap on location from the given options. And then you may select Google Maps option. Now here we have location available, so you can just go ahead and share your live location or select a location from here. After that is done, tap on send your current location and send it. And there you go. You need to have location turned on for that. And once you send it, the location will be sent from your Google Maps to WhatsApp. So this is it. You can also follow the same process in order to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.